अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम है आपके मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पाइपिंग नॉलेज में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट RFC सर्टिफिकेट, रेडी फॉर कमिश्निंग सर्टिफिकेट। व्हेन यू से RFC, दैट मीन्स दैट लाइन इज प्री कमिश्निंग एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन जॉब इज completely completed, ready for commissioning. Now you are going for commissioning stage. First stage is construction, second stage is pre-commissioning. That two stage is completed, that means is RFC certificate is issued. Ready for commissioning certificate is the basic detail of a ready for commissioning certificate. Confirm the completion of all the pre-commissioning test and checks, मतलब all the checking and pre-commissioning testing like hydro testing, pneumatic testing like air blowing, internal cleaning, cardboard blasting, that all are completed. A ready for commissioning certificate, the clearance of all A category punch point before the testing. Whenever this all the activity are completed, that line is going for commissioning. That before going for commissioning, this certificate need to be signed by the client. One completion of all the pre-commissioning test, and then contractor is responsible for the making this report, and client is responsible for approved this report. The content required for the RFC certificate, these are the content required. First of all, content list, what are the requirements. Second one, scope. What is the scope? Detail wise with the PNID, with the marking PNID, how much scope with this contractor, that PNID reference of all the work activities completed by the this contractor. Third one, RFC certificate. RFC certificate, that means is ready for commissioning certificate. Punch list, the entire punch list when you go for line walk down as per the test pack wise, as per the system wise. When you go for line walk down, client give you some punch point like A, B, C category punch point. A category punch point before the pre-commissioning, all the A category punch point then need to be closed. That item is closed, then that entire punch list, some are open and some are closed item, both are available in the entire punch list. All the testing, all the pre-commissioning test and checks are completed. Pre-commissioning test or checks completed and approved by the client. Vendor factory acceptance test required. Red line markup, when you do for the construction activity, that time some drawing need to be changes and some modification, some need to be additionally do something or some changes in the drawing. That time do the red line markup. That red line markup with the client sign and approve, you attach with this RFC certificate. The ready for commissioning certificate should be issued by the contractor and approved by the both and the client. And team operation commissioning also representative with this operation maintenance team, also representative of this RFC certificate. Basically RFC certificate is the certificate that are the line or your unit system is going to the commissioning stage. That is the basic detail of RFC certificate. When you complete the construction and pre-commissioning activity, the line that your system is moved to commissioning stage, that is the RFC certificate. ओके दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में स्पेशली हमने RFC सर्टिफिकेट के बारे में समझा कि RFC सर्टिफिकेट क्या है। कि जब आप कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड प्री कमिश्निंग की एक्टिविटी को कंप्लीट करते हैं तो एक सर्टिफिकेट इशू होता है। दैट सर्टिफिकेट इज गोज टू द दैट सिस्टम इज गोज टू द RFC, रेडी फॉर कमिश्निंग वर्क। ओके, थैंक यू। मिलते हैं दोस्तों अगली वीडियो में। जब तक अपना ख्याल रखें, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी।